Hello and welcome to the first art tutorial for Riverhouse Art Club, which will also be available for anyone online that wants to use it, but I've made it especially for the students that come to our Tuesday and Wednesday art club classes. I'm going to keep it really simple, and I'm going to keep pausing and moving things so we can jump a few steps. But what we're going to do today is make an egg box fish. So you need a few items, really simple to get you started. You need an egg box. Hopefully you eat eggs in your house. And you need a pair of scissors. And you will need some string, anything will do. You could use some shoelace or some wool you've got kicking around. It needs to be quite strong though. And you need a paintbrush to go with some green paint. If you don't have green paint, you can use a colouring pencil or a felt tip. And if you don't have a paintbrush yet, because I haven't sent your art packs out yet, then you can use a sponge or a bit of cloth. So the first thing we're going to do, and a pen. You need a pen, a black pen, or some black paint, whatever you've got to hand. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up the egg box. So I'm going to just cut the lid off. Ooh, my scissors aren't very good. And then you've got two pieces, put that bit to one side and your paint and everything else. And then with your egg box, you want to cut each segment out separately. So you've got 6 segments. So I'll cut the first one out and then I'm going to forward wind and we will see what happens when we've all got to the point where we've got 6. So if you cut one off roughly like that, it looks a bit of a mess, but you're just going to cut neatly around the edge and you'll end up with a blobby bit like that. And that's okay for now, so we're back in a minute.